Welcome to Phantom Fuel Systems. In this video we are going to cover the fuel units and different engine install kits. Pictured you have a Phantom unit. This is for engines up to 5 liters. A Phantom X is for engines over 5 liters, and a Phantom XD is for engines with a twin pump configuration for high flow rate. Image, you see the fuel unit plus the quick install kit. We have many install kits, and below are a few of them that encompass most of the automotive trucks that are on the road today. If you do not see a kit listed for your truck, please let us know and we'll let you know what part number it is. The next image, we have slides of different installs. Here's the Ford 6.4 liter up against the frame rail. 6.7 Ford, quick disconnect right there below the fuel filter, and we install our unit in line. All of the Duramax 6.6 liters right by the driver's side firewall, fuel supply line, the 1/2-inch fitting, remove it and install our unit. The 5.9 Cummins from 98.5 to 2007.5, you have a flex hose that's between the fuel filter and the fuel pump. We just slide in the unit right there. On the 6.7 Cummins, at the fuel pump, the high pressure fuel pump, you have a 5/16 quick disconnect. Remove it right there and install our unit in. This is an image of a Jeep EcoDiesel right underneath the truck. At the fuel filter we have a quick disconnect, and a BMW 5 Series diesel quick disconnect underneath the truck. If there's another truck you'd like to see an image of or a video of installation, please let us know. We'll be sure to make one of it. The last image we have of gains you'll see. Our users typically see 25 horsepower and 50 foot-pounds of torque to the rear wheels. We're allowing a more complete burn of the fuel, which results into 20 to 100 plus degrees reduction in exhaust gas temperatures, and this isn't just at specific turbo pressure or EGT level. This is across the entire RPM range and all load range. Unique versus other products in the market. We see a 5 to 15% increase in fuel economy. We see this even at idle. And if you're still running your truck with any emissions equipment intact, Tier 3 or Tier 4 diesel, you'll see twice the distance between regens. So your equipment will last twice as long on the emission side, and the regens will be faster. Instead of 20 plus minute regens, you'll see they'll take approximately 5 to 7 minutes to complete. Our users also report 50% less DEF fluid used. So no matter what, if you have emissions intact diesel truck, or you've been deleted or are pre-emissions, there are huge benefits in installing a Phantom fuel system. Thank you for tuning in.